My name is Mikael. I'm gonna tell you a story about Moses who rescued the Israelites from Pharaoh. Then one day, when Moses and the Israelites got stuck on a big sea, also called as the Red Sea, even they called that as a Dead Sea too. Then after that they camped there for 40 days. But after 40 days, suddenly Pharaoh and his army chased him. Then Moses, the Israelites was so terrified that they thought they're gonna die here. They were so terrified that they asked Moses, "What should we do?" One of the Israelites say, "Why you bring us here to die here at the desert?" Moses say, "Do not fear, the Lord is with your side." Then Moses stretched his staff against the water. Then suddenly it burst open in the waves. Then the Israelites go there to the ocean, to the parts of the ocean. Then after that Joshua also followed them, even Moses too. Then when Moses and Aaron are at the top of the ocean, suddenly the fire ran out because the early morning. After that, Pharaoh and his army chases at the middle of the ocean. Then after that, the Israelites were even more terrified. Then one of the Israelites say, "Because of you, thanks you, because Pharaoh and his army go after us, we're gonna die." Then suddenly Moses looked back. Then he saw that the Pharaoh's army was getting closer to them. Pharaoh said, "You're never gonna cross the Red Sea." Then the Israelites were so terrified. Then Moses say, "Do not fear, that the Lord is with our side." And Moses say one more time. Then Moses stretched his staff in the gates of the waters. Then the waves rushed down to Pharaoh's army. Then Pharaoh and his chariots get fallen by the waves. Then Pharaoh and his army drowned. After that, Moses and the Israelites were safe, and Moses said, "Let's go to the promised land where there's milk and honey." The end.